to Vivi's kitchen. Today we are going to make a fish fry, netholi fry, also called as anchovies in English. So the ingredients needed are anchovies or netholi half a kg, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri chili powder 2 tablespoons. To this we will be adding in our anchovies or netholi. I am going to use my hands. Our anchovies are marinated well. Let's fry it. I kept the oil for frying. Once it is hot, let's put in the anchovies and fry it. So our oil is hot now. Let's add in some curry leaves. In the anchovies one by one. So our tasty netholi fry or anchovy fry is ready. Please try this recipe. It's a very tasty one. You can use shallow fry also. It will be more tastier than deep fry. Very tasty it is. So please don't forget to try it at home. And if you like my videos, please like, comment and share all my videos with your family members and friends. The ingredients are given in the description box. Please go and check it out. And also please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications as soon as I post my videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.